Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop someone from adding you in Instagram group. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram application. Once you open, click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see option under who how others can interact with you, that is messages and story replies. Click on that and then you have different options. You simply need to click on message controls and here you can see group chats. Click on that option. Who can add you to group? So you simply need to select only people you follow on Instagram. So now it is updated. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.